There we go, ladies and gentlemen. 2.39, not too bad. 2.38. Nice snakehead. Yes, sir. We'll take him. All right, guys. Let's get into the ingredients. All right, so we're gonna start with our seasoning or breading. I did New Orleans seasoning fish fry breaded mix. I was gonna go ahead and put some McCormick Louisiana Cajun in it. So I checked it out and gave it a taste, and it has a lot of seasoning and some salt already in it. So I didn't want to mix the two. So we're gonna move that out the way. That's what we're using for breading. We have a tablespoon and a half cayenne pepper. We're gonna go ahead and put that in there. From there, go ahead and put it in this bag. You know we're gonna mix this real well. Get that pepper mixed in there good. I don't want to put too much overpower, but just want to put a little bit in there for some kick. I freaking love spicy food. If you're doing anything from South, Cajun, what we're going for, gotta use buttermilk. Gotta use the buttermilk. Egg ain't gonna do, so we're gonna put some in here for our wars. I was going to put a little hot sauce in there, but I think the cayenne pepper is going to be good enough. All right, so our fish head, we done cut them up in little squares. So we're looking good on that. So we're going to go ahead from there. Get a little operation going, go ahead and dip it. Stick it in there and bread it. Dip it one more time. Put it in and bread it some more. And y'all, I'm gonna repeat this process, so I'm not gonna make y'all watch that. All right, so we got the snakehead nuggets breaded up, so let's drop them in. Turn it up just a little bit. We're gonna do these to the golden brown. All right, so we cook these down to a golden brown. And look at that. Gotta get them off this fryer. Y'all, we're just gonna repeat this process. I'm gonna show you the finished product. Here, these things are golden brown. Start taking them out. Look at that. We're pulling them out. We let them dry off a little bit. Let the oil get out of them. All right, y'all, here we go. Let's try it out. That's money, man. That's good. Just staying alone, you can eat these. I'm sure there's many different sauces you can dip it into. I'm crazy. I'll put it in buffalo hot sauce, something like that. But many different sauces. But what they saying about this is the real deal. Your man killed it.